మన నాయకులు మన స్విట్జర్లాండ్ వచ్చారండి. వాట్ ఏ బ్లడ్ బర్నింగ్ మూమెంట్ టు బి హానెస్ట్. అండ్ ఈ ఈవెంట్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా అవ్వడానికి ఒక కమిటీ, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ కృష్ణ వల్లూరి గారు, ఆల్సో ఆర్సీ ఆఫ్ టీడీపీ, హీల్ బి ఆర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్పీకర్. అండ్ Gautam Nikkanti garu, who is a social media coordinator of TDP Switzerland. He would be co-assisting him during this speech, and it is on the topic of investment opportunities for Telugu in Europe and Swiss in India.
Namaste. Thank you, Ochula garu. And Sibin garu, it's an honor to be on this stage with you, Andy, and everyone here. I'm sure everyone will agree that we are here where we are because of our parents, our education by the teachers that we have been given, and sorry, you. Thank you for making this difference. Thank you very much. And Lokesh garu, 2-3 years ago, I met you as an individual contributor to TDP. He convinced me that individual approach is not right. And I disagreed then, I agree today. Thank you, it made a lot of difference today. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show the investment opportunities and how this is all my experience in the last 2 months when EDB approached me to see how we can gather investment things. So whatever I'm saying is my perspective, and I'm sure there are multiple perspectives. I would like to collate all of this for the best of AP. So who am I? I have left India in '98, just after Cyber Towers was inaugurated. Cyber Towers was my emotion. I was working in L&T at the time, and I was a fan of Vajpayee Garu and CBN Garu. The 3 dimensions made me buy a ticket after working very hard in part-time jobs to come from London to SR Nagar and travel on the Ghat roads of Jubilee Hills, which are no longer Ghat roads. And we wondered, why did he do this here? Honest, hand on heart, we had no visionary thing like you had, because my friends were applying jobs in STPI in Yusufgura. And Cyberbad is the only one that has, at the moment, Cyber Towers and Silparamam. Those were the only 2 landmarks over there. But now we realize, sir, Vision 2020 is fulfilled, not completely, for many reasons that we are all are aware of. But I hope Vision 2047, the people of Andhra, please give a good mandate for the next 10-15 years to come. So I'm an entrepreneur here. I'm a struggling entrepreneur, I would say. One of them was successful. The other 2 are still going on. I'm learning a lot. I'm happy where I am. With the support of my wife and children, they let me do 40 hours or 80 hours a week sometimes. Thank you. I'm really passionate about people of AP, really. If you can bring 2 employment opportunities, that will change the landscape if each one of us bring. So I really want to share, I hope you'll share the enthusiasm with me and the passion on that front. AP needs us, AP needs united Telugu people. We have differences, we will have differences, that's the beauty of us, but we should stand united and help AP. In 2015, CBN Garu had a vision to create jobs from job employees. He never thought that the employees has to stay employees. He wanted us to become entrepreneurs. And that vision was shared by 2015 NRTs that were created in NRI TDP, NR Telugu Society, etc. Unfortunately, it took a hit in the last 5 years. Now is the time to revamp it and reignite it. And let us do it. There are opportunities for sure. When I talk to people here, NRIs here everywhere. In the last 2 weeks, I know many of you who reached out. I was bombarded with the calls, which actually made me very happy that there are people willing to come to AP. But again, there's a lot of unknowns in that. They need information. They need more fast accelerate the process. So in this next 2 slides, I will explain you what I have done and then I'll conclude. Let us do baby steps. Let's do simple steps. First of all, target the expansion-minded companies. You may be working in a company like Microsoft or any other pharma companies that have, you may be hearing that they want to expand their footprint to Slovakia or so on. But ask them a question to say, did you consider AP? You will never know how, you'll be glad that you have asked, because they may say yes. But you're in no better position if you didn't ask it. No is a good answer. Now, again, if you're interested in, if you're liking some products that you have been using here, think about taking them to India. And that is a niche opportunity that you can develop on as well. And more importantly, assist Indian-based companies to scale up to Europe. That will provide employment locally as well. How can we do this? I know it's not easy, but let's start tapping into the AP incentives. CBN Garu is always up for it to give incentives. And also reach out to the EDB. They are a very formidable, or they're a very good companion in this process. Now this goes back to CM Gari vision. He wants you to be entrepreneurs, not just say employees. So focus on, right now there are many opportunities going around, and with their help on the other side, we can probably win. The import and export opportunities are quite high now. There's a newly signed FTA that has come in force in 2025. That's going to give us about 100,000 crore market, I was told. So look at that and see what products have zero taxes, and see if you have this expertise in that. In the service sectors, again, there are many services that you have. Tap into Telugu network. It's established. We have like 5 organizations here, all having their very healthy collaboration between themselves. So tap into that. I'm sure in Europe it's much more. And more importantly, please target or look into the artificial intelligence. We had Y2K, we had seen .com, and we have seen Web 2, for example, and now Bitcoin and crypto, etc. Now artificial intelligence is what it's going to lead. I heard Satya Nadella Garu speak one time in one of the conferences that the future
in the Euro state. We are promising here we'll do our share to make Chief Minister's dream a reality. Dear ladies and gentlemen, one of the goals of Honorable Chief Minister Sir is to create 20 lakh jobs to the youth of AP in the coming years, whether in AP, India or abroad.
It generated enormous enthusiasm among all NRIs in the Europe. We are promising here we'll do our share to make Chief Minister's dream a reality. Dear ladies and gentlemen, one of the goals of Honorable Chief Minister Sir is to create 20 lakh jobs to the youth of AP in coming years, either in AP, India or abroad. In order to achieve this goal, we NRIs like to support as much as we can by transferring knowledge or by creating best suitable platform for the job aspirants from our state. As this task is so enormous, we had decided to form 3 different groups to promote each initiative. Firstly, generate high quality employment for our migrants here. Secondly, promote entrepreneurship among Telugus and locally as well as in here. Develop a strong network or powerful Telugus in CXO network. I'm going to discuss mostly about first objective. Mr. Krishna Garu, Gautam Garu, and Mr. Chalasani Kishore Garu will present other 2 initiatives. Our group is standardizing procedures so that who want to contribute to this Jobs for Telugus initiative and can use this as a manual for a quick start. Due to the demographic shifts and rapid declining birth rates in Europe, tremendous number of high-paying jobs are opening anywhere in Europe. As a historically, restrictive immigration policies for workers are being rewritten all over. Except for political refugees, many European countries never used to invite foreign-born workers, especially from India, to get work visas here. Few high-end students who had done master's degree here used to be able to get good institutions here. In the past, number of Telugus used to migrate mostly USA and to Gulf countries. We believe now is the time for all Telugus to grab opportunity in European countries. Being advanced countries with a liberal mindset, human rights have a great importance here. In addition to higher standard of living, access to high quality education at all levels and healthcare is also quite affordable. Business opportunities is also freely available. I strongly encourage all qualified Telugus to take advantage of this opportunity. Once you complete your acquisition skills, experience, you can go back to Andhra to either extend your support for the development of the state or to pursue your career there. For everyone who wants to come here and for all those who want to help, we have collected workforce immigration policies, certifications and training requirements in demand job roles and top recruiting agencies in all popular European countries. We hope this manual will be a good resource for both aspirants, skilled workers and anyone here who want to take advantage of this new phenomena. We strongly encourage you to start your own HR agencies as well as to help your friends and family back in home in addition to building a second career. NRI TDP Europe and UK wants to take a pledge to create 5,000 quality jobs for every year for the Telugus coming from Andhra Pradesh. We will be available here after the meeting to distribute this information and answer any questions that you may have. And thank you very much for everyone, and my sincere, heartfelt thanks to Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Ram Mohan Naidu Garu, and Lokesh Garu, and last but not least, Dr. Ravi Vemuri Garu for giving this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.